Republic Bank is a large community bank. We have 52 locations, roughly a $5.3 billion bank. Our IT strategy, in many cases, is reactive to the needs of the business. We compete nationally for mortgages with some huge players in the industry. Data is paramount to us. We have lots and lots of data about everybody's transactions, every company's transactions that do business with us. We have to maintain that data for many reasons, regulatory reasons as well as customer service reasons. And the protection of that data is a huge responsibility that everybody believes that we do, but that we take very seriously. There are regulatory rules that we have to follow. There are credit card industry PCI rules that we have to follow to retain and protect data, but also to manage and make sure that we know where it's going, who's seeing it, and whether or not they're supposed to be able to see it, right? We have been a Dell EMC Data Protection customer for about 9 years. Prior to that time, we made physical tapes. We made tapes in the data center, we made tapes at our banking centers, and we experienced very high failure rates for tapes, especially in the banking centers. We use many Dell EMC Data Protection products. We're about 98% virtual using VMware. In our environment, the most significant benefits to the integration between Dell EMC products and VMware are in our management of those systems, the automation, especially around our backup and recovery systems. In many cases, being able to manage what we need on a day-to-day basis through Virtual Center. That's a big step forward for us. Instead of having to have 3 or 4 or 5 different management interfaces, different panes of glass to work through, we can work through Virtual Center for virtually everything that we need on a daily basis. Our dedupe ratios on the data domains are approximately 72-1. It's amazing, it really is. It ends up being 98.6% data reduction. Dell EMC Data Protection software was a huge change for my teams, for our teams at the bank that manage those systems. We changed from needing 2 or 3 or 4 people just to worry about backups and restores, just to make sure that we accomplish what we needed to accomplish on a nightly basis. Our staff, in many cases, doesn't have to spend as much time or effort maintaining the things that we have, and they can take the time that we need for them to help the business innovate.